TerraLens is a high-performance geospatial visualization platform developed to support mission-critical applications. At the heart of the platform is the TerraLens Core SDK, which allows developers to quickly add 2D and 3D GIS mapping and sensor display capabilities to their applications. TerraLens leverages a shader-based architecture to provide consistently high performance while supporting a rich feature set. The TerraLens SDK is platform agnostic and supports a variety of programming languages and development environments. TerraLens has been fielded in a wide array of defense applications, including U.S. Navy Aegis, THAAD, NASAMS, NATO AWACS, the Joint Battle Command Platform, combat management systems for ship-based systems and armored vehicles, and a variety of missile defense systems.